Hello, everyone, and thanks, Sana, for the introduction. Uh, and I am an associate director of engineering at GeekyAnts. I have mostly been a front-end developer. I have mostly worked on React and React Native here at GeekyAnts. And uh, more recently, I have also been working on iOS development using Swift UI. And all of my recent projects have been related to design systems. So for the past 3 or more years, I've been working on design systems. So talking about design systems, right now, what's going on? So we see an increasing adoption of design systems day by day, uh, because we do a lot of projects related to everything. But yeah, more recently we have been finding that more and more companies want to adopt design systems. So we see that, and that's a good thing. And right now we also are getting better and better tools to work with design systems. um, so um, yeah, design systems is not just a small thing. It's kind of a vast concept, and there are a lot of things going on, and you need different tools for managing different parts of a design system, for creating different parts of a design system. So yeah, better tools definitely help us do that. And we are also getting more focus on localization and accessibility, as we are trying to make our products more inclusive, and that is also a good thing. And we are also seeing more multi-brand design systems. In fact, the one I'm working on right now, it's a multi-brand design system. So there are challenges that come up with a multi-brand design system. Uh, it actually depends on what the brand structure for an organization is. For some organizations, it's like there are more homogeneous brands. Brands are um, they are pretty much very similar. So that's a bit less challenging compared to where an organization has brands where each brand is very, it can be very different. So we have to come up with different things to manage that kind of a design system. And we are also seeing adoption of web components. And again, this comes from my experience on the one that I'm working on right now. So uh, rather than having component libraries for React, Angular, Vue, uh, all the web-based frameworks, we can now have a web component library, and that works across all the frameworks. And on top of that, we can also create wrappers on top of them for React, Angular, Vue, for better integration. Um, and yeah, this had to take some time because web components earlier, it wasn't very standardized. It didn't have vast support across every browser out there. So now that we have all these things, it's a good time to maybe shift your design system to at least the web components library to be built on a web component framework. And how can we talk about any tech by not mentioning AI? So here it is. Yeah, right now we are also seeing not a lot, but yeah, AI can help build better design systems, can help maintain it better. We will surely talk about some of these topics in detail in the panel discussions later. And what we at GeekyAnts do for design systems, Sana already mentioned gluestack. Uh, some of you might know NativeBase, because NativeBase is kind of a precursor of gluestack. NativeBase was launched by GeekyAnts in around, I think, 2016, 2017. So it has been there for a long time. Um, for those of you who don't know, it's an open source component library for React Native. Um, Although the later version of NativeBase, the last version of NativeBase, it was a universal library. it had support for React and React Native both. So universal in the sense that you can have your components run on iOS, Android, web, everywhere. So GlueStack, you can consider it as an improved version of NativeBase, and GlueStack mainly improves upon the performance issues that we had with the latest version of NativeBase, mainly on Android. So, I mean, yeah, if your tech stack is around React and React Native, I hope you do check out GlueStack. GlueStack.io is the website. And other than that, we have some internal tools that help us build design systems at GeekyAnts. Unfortunately, that's not public yet. So we have some design system builder and some other tools which kind of help us create design systems for our clients as well as our own design system. We are hoping to, do a lot of things there before making it public. No promises there, but yeah, I hope that happens someday. And we are also, as I said, we have a lot of clients for whom we build design systems. One of them was Pepperfry some time back, which we did. And the one that I'm working on currently, it's a very large scale multi-brand design system. So yeah, we do have some experience in this domain. And for the past meetups, do check out our YouTube channel, GeekyAnts YouTube channel, for the recordings of previous meetups on design systems and other technologies. So about today's agenda, we have one talk that's by Arijit from Your Story Media. He's head of design there. He'll be talking about building design systems, scalable brand guidelines. And we have two panel discussions, this one, and then we'll have a short break, and then we'll have another panel discussion. And I mean, we are not a lot of people right now, so I hope that everyone gets involved in the discussion. Do raise your hand whenever you want to talk about something, or just add your own point of view in the discussion. So feel free. We want to keep this interactive. So yeah, not just these panelists. We want the discussion to happen between all of the audience members. So yeah, this is our meetup group, Design System Bangalore. We organize community talks, meetups, and yeah, everything for design system enthusiasts. Our LinkedIn page is Design System Wizards. Our Twitter handle is Design System Wiz. Okay, so that will be all from me. I hope you have a good time, and I hope we all get to learn a bit from each other. So yeah, have a good time. Thank you.